In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and doing good at home. This is our 7th lecture of Nature Study Docket. Today we will read and understand page number 7, chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is Solar System. Now I will tell you about solar system. Look at the picture. That is a galaxy and it's called the Milky Way. Do you see that bright light? It's our solar system where we live. Let's take a closer look at a solar system. This is how our solar system looks like with planets revolving around the sun. इस तरह हमारा निज़ाम शमसी नज़र आता है जैसे सयारे सूरज के गिर्द घूमते हैं. द सन इज़ द मेन सोर्स ऑफ लाइट फॉर ऑल द प्लैनेट्स. सूरज तमाम सयारों के लिए रोशनी का बुनियादी ज़रिया है. आवर सोलर सिस्टम हैज़ 8 मेजर प्लैनेट्स. हमारे निज़ाम शमसी में 8 बड़े सयारे हैं. लेट्स रीड. द सोलर सिस्टम consists of the sun, the other stars, the earth, the other planets and the moons. निज़ाम शमसी सूरज, दूसरे सितारे, ज़मीन, दूसरे सयारे और चाँद पर मुश्तमिल है. Let's read again. The solar system consists of the sun, the other stars, the earth, the other planets and the moons. Let's learn the difficult words. Solar system. SOLAR solar. SYSTEM system. Solar system. Next is sun. SUN sun. Stars. STARS stars. Earth. EARTH earth. Planets. PLANETS planets. Moons. MOONS moons. Now this is your home task. Read and understand page number 7. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.